ng katapatan sa ating bugtong at buhay na Diyos sa mga Diyos, Panginoong Jesucristo na pinakamakapangyarihan sa lahat. At bawat isa sa atin ay nagsusumikap na makatupad sa kalooban ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo na pinakamakapangyarihan sa lahat.
Kaya naman, itong May 2025, naging matagumpay ang ating 29 Covenant Day at pinayabong pa ito sa pamamagitan ng inyong presensya at pagtangkilik sa mga banal na baluti ng tunay at nag-iisang bugtong at buhay na Diyos ng mga Diyos, Panginoong Jesucristo na pinakamakapangyarihan sa lahat. Sabay-sabay natin balikan ang ating panunumpa ng katapatan sa tunay at nag-iisa, bugtong at buhay na Diyos ng mga Diyos, Panginoong Jesucristo na pinakamakapangyarihan sa lahat. Panoorin po natin ito.
Hi, my name is Michelle Bravo Haro. Invited my mom and I, we went to a Covenant Day on May 2025 this year because my dad is so excited to go attend the Covenant Day. He want to go a testimony about the miracle oil, about what happened to him when he was 50-50 during the COVID time, and he was so happy. And during that time we have attended because we are only rushing around because we stopped over from Hong Kong, and they are so happy when they come home. They're enjoying the time that the testimony, even though my dad is just speaking Bisaya. He was a little bit confused because during that time he was so tired and exhausted, but it's not really stopping him. So he enjoyed the testimony, and then he want to go and celebrate the New Year.
Nagmula pa sa Mindanao para ipagsigawan ang katotohanan sa pamamagitan ng kanyang buhay na patotoo.
Ako po ay nagpasalamat sa bugtong at buhay ng Diyos ng Ama Diyos Kristo na pinakamakapangyarihan.
My mom and dad, they attended to Back to Christ since 1987 when terrorists arrived in the Philippines. Davao, they wanna attack all the village, and then during the time is Father Lahi in the radio station is announcing. So my dad is a follower to his voice and his message, so he kind of registered and to follow and to attend the organization meeting in Ponce, Davao City. He started joining the Back to Christ from 1987 until this moment, and we're still the same, and he's still the Back to Christ, the original of the Back to Christ since then. That's why they are dreaming to attend the Covenant Day on May 2025. So they already happy and wishing that dream come true for Mama and Papa talaga. Dahil first time nila maka-attend sa Cuneta Astrodome at ma-meet nila si Ate Alma and then Brother Eric.
Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Haro.
My name is James Harrop, and we're sending this message to you from Queensland, Australia. Happy Christmas and reunion to the original Back to Christ.
And Happy New Year's to everyone.
Happy New Year.